Now, friends, let's talk about the stages of group development, that is, how groups are formed. Formation of groups have two different models in which a group develops. First is your five-stage model, and second is punctuated equilibrium model. The five-stage model of group development says that there are a total of five different stages starting from forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. So these five stages states the different kind of phases in a process of group development. So let's begin with the first stage of this five-stage model. The first stage is forming. This is the initial stage of group development characterized predominantly by much uncertainty among the members. This first stage is characterized by a sense of uncertainty and awkwardness and perhaps anxiety. In this stage, group norms and standards are defined, and this phase often shows a tentativeness or even some anxiety on the part of participants. Leaders need to set the tone for group behavior, activities, and interactions. Second is storming. This stage is characterized by individual assertive behavior, which may result in some group instability. In this stage, each person wants to feel a sense of individual importance and influence on the group. That is, finding a niche for himself or herself. Third stage is norming. This phase is known as becoming personal. Norming is the stage where the group is formed and structured completely. A growth of affection and establishment of personal relationships characterize this phase. Fourth stage is performing. This phase is termed as working together. This phase characterized by harmony among group members. At this stage, the group is mature enough to attend on its own needs, both in terms of task and relationship matters. And the last stage, that is the stage 5, is adjourning. This stage is also known as transference. In this stage, the group disperses after the group activity is completed. The fourth stage in group development, during which the group is fully functional. Now, Tuckman's five-stage theory of group development can be understood in the way that in the first stage, forming, the individual issue arises is how do I fit in this group? And the group issue is why are we here? Whereas in the norming stage, that is the second stage, individual issue is what's my role here? What am I supposed to do in this group? And the group issue is why are we fighting over and who's in charge and who does what? Third stage, according to Tuckman, is what do others expect me to do? And group issue is can we agree on roles and work as a team? Performing stage. The individual issue in performing is how can I best perform my role? Whereas a group issue is can we do the job properly? So, friends, here our topic five-stage theory of group development ends. Thank you.